In the last session, we learned about the script and the syntax that we are going to use for running the scripts. So let's start creating new tenant in Epic. We have already learned about this script and will show you how to run it. Our lab setup is already ready to run the scripts. Now I have the Python script to create new tenant, and I have saved it in .python format in notepad in some folder. Let me run it. So I will need to go into that specific folder. Then I will type Python and I will put that file name. Now you will need to add the username of the Epic. I'm putting admin. Now I'll put the URL and I'll put the password. Now you can see script is running and this is my JSON output that has created, and seems it got pushed in the Epic. Now we will check if our tenant has been created here, and its name is ACI Automation. So in this way you can create the tenants, and we will see other configuration of tenant in next session.